This natural tea for cough offers several benefits, especially as it supports the body's healing process without relying on harsh chemicals. This remedy often helps soothe the throat, reduce irritation, and calm the cough reflex, making it easier to rest and recover. It also supports the immune system, helping the body fight off the underlying cause of the cough, such as a cold or minor respiratory infection. Stay connected to Health Plus for more exciting health tips and videos.